Find the area enclosed by the line y equals x minus 1 and the parabola y squared equal to x plus 6. First, we sketch the graph. Y equals x minus 1 is the linear function. Y squared equal to x plus 6 is a parabola. This parabola has y-intercepts when x equals 0. When x equals 0, y is plus or minus the square root of 6. These are the two y-intercepts. And when y equals 0, x is minus 3. The region bounded by the two curves is shaded. We're interested in the area enclosed by the two curves. If we slice this curve vertically, we run into the problem of having the same upper and lower curve. Even if we manage to come up with the equation for the upper and lower curve, we still need to set up two integrals, one for the parabolas and one for the difference between the parabola and the line. And so instead, we're going to slice it horizontally to form rectangles. Each of the rectangle has a width of delta y, and the length is the horizontal distance from the right minus the left. The area is the integral from C to D, the right curve minus the left curve along the y-axis dy. Observe that we slice the curve perpendicular to the y-axis, so the width is delta y. But y equals x minus 1, in terms of y, x is y plus 1. This is the right curve. Y squared equals 2x plus 6, isolate x. We have x equals y squared minus 6 divided by 2. This is the left curve in terms of y. So the area is the integral from C to D, y plus 1 minus 1/2 y squared minus 6 dy. Observe that we add the area of all of the rectangles horizontally along the y-axis. The limit of integration C and D are the intersections of the two functions, y equals x plus 1 and y squared equals 2x plus 6. This is a system of equation. We can solve it by either elimination or substitution method. In this case, we will use substitution methods. We substitute y with x minus 1. So x minus 1 squared equal to x plus 6. Distribute the squared. X squared minus 2x plus 1 equal to x plus 6. Simplifying this, we have x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0, or the quantity x plus 1 times x minus 5 equals 0. Using the zero product property, x equals negative 1 and x equals 5. But the variable of integration is y, so we would need c in terms of y, and d is y as well. But when x equals negative 1, y is minus 2. And when x equals 5, y is 4, because we plug negative 1 and 5 into y equals x minus 1. Using the fundamental theorem of calculus to evaluate the definite integral to get 18.